This Century 21 Prestige Realty property video is presented by Bill Current. Attention investors, beautiful remodeled, double-wide, all-electric home on 5 acres. With quartz counters, large kitchen island and upgraded cabinets. Refrigerator stays. Has formal living room and den. Large master bath, has sliding barn doors and an open walk-in shower. This home is covered by a metal roof that also covers the large decks on the front and rear of the unit. All brush has been cleared from the trees. This property includes 2 single-wide rental units, see remarks. For more information, review the details below.